Happy Sunday and welcome to my live. It's called Frost Kitchen. It's called Frost Kitchen. Called Frost Kitchen. Was. Today we're gonna be making a nice avocado toast. I have my avocados here. Jenny, what is it? What is it? Please get off the floor with your white dress. You're gonna stain it. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here and I'm just gonna make breakfast. Some avocado. Oh my gosh. Okay. Breathe, Cora, breathe.
Oh no, I need a table.
We're going to church, by the way. And I'm building a community. I'm trying to build a community of NFT collectors for my NFT. We just minted 211. We're still not at the cutoff. And if you have ever collected an NFT or if you know anyone who collects NFTs, please let them know that my NFT is available and it's live.
Mom. Oh no, we touched it. I'm making food.
I'm making avocado.
No, I'm hungry.
That's why I'm making us food.
Don't you touch it? You did it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Good job, Mom.
Thanks, Jen.
Oh, see those? Oh, did I touch the bread? I'm making bread. Oh, whoa, it's bouncing. Oh, whoa. There you go, Mommy. There. I'm making. I'm helping Mommy. Okay.
You sure are, Jen. You sure are. Thank you.
There we go.
We're going to church today, yes.
The church today? Yes.
And Jen looks like a beautiful princess.
Then the fit it and take and the break.
No, don't put it in there.
Sorry.
You're okay. Just don't put it in there.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my queen.
Wow. Yeah.
Mommy is a little stressed. There are a lot of stresses right now in my life. The NFT, you guys need to go mint it.
I'm so excited.
I'm trying to create a community.
No, I want orange.
But it's not easy if you guys are not minting. So go mint the NFT today. And let me know, okay?
No. Are you cutting a new piece?
I'm making a sangua. Thank you.
Yummy. Love it. So yummy. I want oranges. I want orange. I want orange.
Okay. Here. We made it for top 5 in the opening act. This some garlic sauce.
Pepper
Thank
salt.
you.
Yay! Yum yum. I want to taste it. Yum yum yum. Mama. I want oranges. Are you open? Open? Open. Thank you.
You're welcome. Athena, mommy is coming, okay? Mommy is only one person. I cannot be more than one person, okay? You're okay. Just want mommy to come there.
No, didn't.
I'm so
Mommy,
stressed,
come
guys.
in.
What are you doing? You're stressed.
I'm the person that one, two curtains. Yeah.
Thank
the
you.
curtain, one.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I want oranges. I'm amazing. Why are you?
Take a deep breath.
Yeah, I did it. I'm not flying anymore. Yay! And Mommy, eat it? You eat it? You eat the big? You eat it?
Yeah, pray, talk to God. That's why I'm going to church, guys. Like, I'm so freaking tired. Like, I just want to live my life in peace. Like,
I'm tired too.
June is tired too. Like, we're just tired of the drama, guys. Like, it's like everything you guys want to make it a big drama filled fest. Like,
I love it. You. we're taking the butter. Taking the butter.
Just one human being, oh, just one human being. Oh my God.
I'm tired.
Okay, Jenny. Time to eat your guac burger. Oh my God, Athena.
Oh my God, Athena.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, Athena, I want too.
Athena can have some guac.
Yay, yummy. Like Athena, yummy. Mommy, tell the iPad.
Get off the media and the drama will stop. It's easy for you to say. It's easy for you to say. You're being entertained. I'm on the other side of the table. So it's easier for you to say. Okay, Athena. Anyway, I'm just gonna go to my maker today. Just relay some few things, get an operating system update, and come back refurbished and refreshed, okay? Happy Sunday. Don't waste your tears on them. I know they love to see me cry. I know them. How is she so happy? I'm going to destroy that happiness. So I don't waste my tears on them. I waste my tears on my maker. Guys, if I'm being honest, man, I'm tired. But don't forget to mint my NFT because that's what is wearing me out. I'm right there replying to every single message. Oh my God, I can't mint it. I can't mint it. It's taking. I tried it on my laptop. Like, guys, it's very easy. It's very easy to do. But you guys need somebody to hold your hand till the last millisecond. Stressing me out. If you want to talk to me privately, join the Telegram. Hello, I'm live. Can you reduce the volume, please? This one don't start that one. If you want my NFT, you can get the NFT. It's very easy. All you have to do is mint it. Like people use 3 seconds to mint. Other people use 3 hours back and forth. Cora, it's not working. It's not like, guys. All you have to do is download MetaMask, link your wallet to the MetaMask, and mint the NFT. Today I'm going to try to teach you a little bit about NFTs, okay? I'm going to do a video, comprehensive video. An NFT is a piece of not like a unique item, like a product that you buy in the metaverse. The metaverse is a whole new universe that is coming very soon. Trust me. If you are at the beginning stage of this, you can take advantage of the fact that it's very new. Like my NFT is very affordable right now, but in a couple of years, it won't be the same, and you're going to be able to sell it for a higher price. You know? So I'm telling you, go mint my NFT for free. Is she pregnant? God will continue to punish all of you that try to take jabs on my mental health. God will continue to punish you. I'm not pregnant. I have said it 50 million times. I'm not pregnant. Anyway. All you have to do is go to and mint it. Mint it. Go to your MetaMask, go to your wallet, connect it, and mint it. I think that one's black. Thank you. This is organic avocados. She can have organic avocados. Yes, at this time, thank you, Danielle. Appreciate you. Go mint the NFT. The NFT is literally there. Literally there. Waiting for you to mint it. And you can mint it and resell it for anything. So with the economy, and with the current nature of currency and how it goes up and down and up and down, cryptocurrency is a non-regulated, amazing option to save your money. If you have some Ethereum, there are things that you can buy with your Ethereum on the metaverse. You can buy and you can have it forever and you can sell it. I just launched my own NFT, the first African woman ever in the metaverse to launch her own NFTs in the world. It is available for purchase right now. As I speak, there are only 221 minted and we have 1,000 to go. 1,000 slots left. All you have to do is go and get your own Ethereum, and it's for your Ethereum, and mint your own NFT, and it's forever yours. You can sell it for whatever price you want. This is what they said about social media. Oh, social media is this. Look at it now. The metaverse is a real thing. I'm going to be having my first ever performance in the metaverse very soon. But I can't do it without you guys. I thought people were gonna be super stoked, excited about this. I was like, oh, okay. But so far, only 250. You know. Tina, your poop is gonna be green. Okay, guys, well, that being said, I love you. We just ate some organic avocados. Athena, you're really eating, no? You're really eating. Okay. More.